Hey, welcome back everybody. Let's talk about these toilet tank lids here. Sometimes these things get cracked or they fall off the toilet or somebody drops them and you have to replace them. And finding a replacement lid can be hard if you don't know how, so I'm going to tell you how real quick. On the underside of every one of these lids is going to be this serial number here, or perhaps some other type of code. So for me, my code is N2428TL, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to type this into Google, and I'm going to find a replacement lid and be able to order it on Google. And this applies to really every single lid I've ever found, on every toilet I've ever found. I've never seen one that didn't have this code typed into it. It makes replacing these really easy. Now let's talk about pricing real quick. I'm typically going to charge a $125 trip fee every time I have to go to the property. This one's going to take 2 trips. The first trip is going to be to get the code off of the lid, and the second trip is going to be to install the new lid after I get it ordered. However, $250 is pretty steep considering I'm only going to be spending 5 minutes at the property each time, so I will probably discount that to about $180 to $200 for the labor. And then obviously I'm going to add the materials onto that cost as well. But this is a super simple, super easy, really great handyman job to get and can be extremely profitable. So if y'all have any other questions, especially about toilets, since we're doing a little toilet series right now, feel free to drop them in the comments or email me at bulletproofhandymanbusiness@gmail.com. And if you would like to see more of my pricing for these jobs, you can go to the bottom of the description of all of my videos, and at the bottom you're going to find a link to click to get all of my business documents. When you get into my documents, you're going to find that there are 2 documents that are going to help you with pricing. One is called Jobs List with Pricing, and the other one is going to be all of my custom line items that I use in my Jobber account. So if you have Jobber, you'll be able to download my custom line items and then go into your Jobber account and upload my custom line items into your Jobber account and actually use my line items yourself. And if you don't have Jobber, there is also a link in the description for a free 14-day trial, and that's going to come with 20% off for the first 6 months. So if y'all have any questions, let me know. bulletproofhandymanbusiness@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Otherwise, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see you on the next one.